Hey guys, working on this track, and my co-producer has given me a great idea. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this acid and we're just going to try and fuck it up a little bit. Reason being, we've got like this fill here, and we just want to make this acid sound pretty cool. So let's. So you just have to be creative, and there's a million different things you can do. I know what I like to do. I'm going to use a volcano filter. So that's number one. That works quite fast. As you can see, I'm a very efficient and fast worker nowadays. Well, I've always been. ADHD tendencies, I think. Let's have a look at a bit of a delay. Cool. What else can we do on it? Really feeling the flanger, and I know my co-producer is probably thinking the same thing in the background. The only thing stopping you from being creative is your own mind. So bear that in mind. Mind. Did not work. Awesome, I'm pretty happy with that. So this is a simple trick on being creative. All we've done is we've got a volcano filter and we've just filtered it literally up, and it just sounds pretty cool. Like, oh, we use a delay as well. I guess one more thing we could do, we could kind of pan it maybe. Let's use a tremolo. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So it just automates it in, and then I've just got it set. Let's set it one bar before. So 1, 2, 3. So there you go, nice little effect there. So it's now spreading across the stereo field left and right at a rate of 1/4 or quarter note. So yeah, pretty cool. And again, just to remind you, your mind is the only thing holding you back from being as creative as possible. So try and really push your boundaries. And yeah, any information on lessons, drop me a line, tutorials at adamellisdj.com. Speak to you soon.